Hi, today I want to show you how to fit the Heyner and ALCA wiper blades on the push button arm. This is the Audi A3 2013 model, and that's quite common wiper arm for all VW group cars after 2010. And yeah, I'm going to start with Heyner Hybrid. When you receive this wiper blade, you should receive this little separately, this little packaging with two adapters. On the back you've got manuals how to do it. I'm going to show you step by step how to fit it on the this type of wiper arm. I take Heyner Hybrid, this type of wiper blade, and I've got one of this adapter which is in the packaging. It's very important to fit it first on the wiper arm and then attach the wiper to the adapter, and then remove red plastic cover. Now it's fitted. I'm going to show you an example of the other blade. The procedure is exactly the same. Let me just deattach this one. I'm going to take off the adapter, and I will show you where the metal bar goes to the it clicks over here, so it's not in the middle, it's just right over here, this space where you click on the adapter. I will show you how to fit the same procedure is with the ALCA blades, and if you got the Heyner premium blade, you will receive the multi adapter, which is this one, STTL, and to fit to this type of arm you need to take off the top bit, which is TL. It makes the adapter slimmer, and that's this type of blade, that's the Heyner premium, and the procedure is exactly the same. First you fit adapter on, and then you attach blade to the arm.